Hello students, in this video we will learn different properties of multiplication. The first property is called commutative property of multiplication. What it says, the product of two numbers remains the same even if we change the order of the number. Okay, what it means, suppose we are multiplying two numbers. For example, see here we are multiplying 36 and 15. The result is 540. But if we change the sequence, means we are writing 15 first and then 36, and if we multiply, then also the result will be same, means 540. Here we have written 36, then we have multiplied 15 into it. The answer is 540. Okay, and here what we have done, we have written 15 first and then we have multiplied 36 to it, then also we get the same answer. That means what it says, the product of two numbers remain the same even if we change the order, means even if we change the order of the numbers, the result will always same. Okay, this is known as commutative property of multiplication. Okay, next the second property is known as associative property of multiplication. The product, what it says, the product of three numbers remains the same even if we change the grouping of the numbers. Okay, suppose we are multiplying three numbers, suppose we are multiplying 28, 19 and 16. Okay, so even if we change the grouping, suppose here we are, what we are doing, we are multiplying 19 and 16 first. पहले हमने किसको मल्टीप्लाई किया, 19 and 16, then whatever be the answer, then answer is multiplied by 28. Okay, then what we do, whatever be the answer of 19 and 16, we multiply that answer by 28. Here you can see 28 we have written as it is, and the answer of 19 and 16 is 304, and if we multiply these two numbers, what we will get, 8512. Okay, this is first answer. Second, in second what we have done, we have multiplied the first two digits, means we have multiplied 28 and 19, and the answer which comes, we have multiplied it by 16. Here what we have done, we have grouped 28 and 19, and here what we do, we have grouped 19 and 16. But even if we multiply 28 and 19 and then multiplied 16 to it, then also we get the same answer, that is 8512, means 28 into 19 is 532, and then 16 we have multiplied to it, we will get 8512. What it means, even if we have grouped different numbers, then also we get the same result, that is 8512. So we can either multiply first two digit or last two digit first, the answer will remains the same. That is known as associative property of multiplication. Okay, the third property is called distributive property of multiplication. What it says, if two numbers are in addition or subtraction, means two numbers are in addition or subtraction, here two numbers are given, they are in addition 18 plus 12, or in subtraction, means 18 minus 12, and are multiplied by another number. Okay, we are multiplying this number that are in addition by a number. Here what we have done, we are multiplying it by 15. They can be multiplied separately, so we can multiply them separately. How? Here you can see the two numbers are in addition, means 18 plus 12, they are in addition, and we are multiplying it by 15, means we are multiplying it by 15. So we can multiply them separately. How? This 15 will be multiplied by both 18 and also by 12, means 15 into 18 plus 15 into 12, means this number is multiplied by both 18 and 12, and what we have put it at the center, plus, because it is the addition of two numbers. So this is known as distributive property. Means if two numbers are in addition and we are multiplying by some number, then this number is multiplied by both the numbers, or can be multiplied by both the numbers separately. Here 18 plus 12 multiplied by 15. So we can write it as 18 into 15 plus 12 into 15. How we get this? By multiplying this 15 by 18 and plus 15 by 12. Okay. Same we can do in subtraction also. Here is the subtraction, 18 minus 12, and we are multiplying it by 15. So this 15 will be multiplied by both the numbers, 15 into 18 minus 15 into 12. 15 into 18 minus 15 into 12, or 12 into 15. This property is known as distributive property of multiplication. Okay, the fourth property. The fourth property says whenever we multiply a number by 0, the result will always 0. Okay, the product of a number and a 0 is always 0. Here you can see example, 89 into 0 is equal to 0. 128 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So what it says, whenever we multiply a number by 0, then result will always 0. Okay, this is the fourth property. What is the fifth property? The product of a number and 1 is always number itself. Means whenever we multiply a number by 1, we always get the same number or number itself. Here what we have multiplied, 29 into 1 is equal to 29, or 1 into 124 is equal to 124. Means if we are multiplying by 1, we always get the same number, okay, or number itself. That is, here we get 124 or here we get 29. Okay, this is property number 5. Next is 6. To multiply a number by 10, 100 or 1000, put as many zeros as in the multiplier to get to the right of a number. Okay, what it says, to multiply a number by 10, 100 or 1000, put as many zeros as in the multiplier to the right of a given number. Suppose we have to multiply 98 by 10. So what we will do? We will directly write 98, and how many zeros we will put? We will put, how many zeros are there in multiply? 1 0. Means we will put 1 here. Okay. Same here, 124 we have to multiply it by 100. So how many 0 we will put after the number? We have 124, and what we will do? We will put 2 zeros at the right of the multiply. So we will get the answer. Same, suppose we have to multiply it by 1000. So how many zeros are there? 3. So what we will do? We will put 3 zeros to the right of the multiplier. So we will directly write 126, and what we will do? We will put 3 zeros to the right of it, 1, 2 and 3. So this is how we can multiply, okay, the number if there are zeros. Means 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Suppose we are multiplying a number by 10, 100 and 1000. What we have to do? We have to simply count the zeros and put it to the right of the multiplier, and we will get the answer. So these are the 6 properties of multiplication. Okay.